Hey guys, if you've just received your first order of Huel, then you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you the best way to make a meal of Huel powder or Huel Black Edition. First, fill your shaker up with 500 ml of cold water. Next, add your 2 scoops. If you're using a scale, that's 100 grams of Huel powder or 90 grams of Black Edition. Finish off by securing the lid and you're ready to go. And this is the important bit. You've got to give it a really good shake for 10 seconds or until it's smooth. But you've got to give it some oomph. There's a difference between shaking Huel and shaking your Huel. And it's as simple as that. But here are some of our best tips for making it and some ideas for customizing your Huel. Now, we try and make it as simple as possible for you to track your calories. So decide how many calories are right for your meal and fit Huel to those requirements. Every scoop is 200 calories, so you can have as much or as little as you want. Add water first.
Add water first.
This is so important because it's going to stop Huel clumping at the bottom of the shaker. If this is your first time making Huel, then 500 ml is a great place to start. That's 250 ml per scoop. But if you want to make your Huel thicker, you can just add a little less water. And if you want to make it less thick, add some more water in. If you want a frosty cold Huel, then ice is essential. Just add in a few cubes before you shake to chill down your Huel. Now, if you want, you can add the grid back in your shaker. We've tested it and find it really helps make your Huel smoother. But if you don't want to use it, then don't worry. And that's it. Remember, Huel is here for your most inconvenient meals. So start out by swapping one of your regular meals for Huel, like midweek breakfast or lunch. There's no wrong way to have Huel. It's all about what works for you. Try this way first, and then check out part 2 for some more of our favorite tips.